Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Round Lake, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're trying to take the stress out of your move, our experienced movers make your long-distance move less complicated. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 2,500 miles away, our team can help. Moving isn't very easy, but using the right moving services can certainly make it so much simpler. Our experts handle all the needed moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Hiring a local Illinois moving company could seem unnecessary initially. When you examine the main advantages you gain, the price could be much easier to deal with. The time savings you gain can easily make using the services of a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. Minimizing the heavy lifting also offers yet another advantage you get from using the right local movers. Our professional movers provide efficiency with each and every move. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you obtain a streamlined solution for moving day. Even if a large move would take you a week, we can get done in less than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Round Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.